Hello people, right, we're doing another screen clean because some people were disappointed because I used blue roll, and you probably see why, because I don't think this is going to actually work due to the fact because I clean a lot of cars and I know what microfibre cloths can be like. Right, anyway, so we do have a wet microfibre cloth and a dry one, and we've also got a bit of the blue roll that people don't like. The blue roll, just basically, if you don't press it into the screen, it's not a problem. It's not going to scratch anything. There's no marks on this screen whatsoever, apart from the dirt. So let's get cleaning it. So we're going to go with the wet one again. So we go down here, very dusty screen. So I do small areas at a time. And I got a couple of these cloths, so yeah, it just sort of smears the water into the TV and microfibre cloth, so it doesn't do as well as your blue roll, where it actually dries it. It's not a bad, yeah, it's going to take a little bit more work doing it this way. I've not done it on this screen before, so like I've got a big old pack of these, because I don't think two's enough. You're probably going to need at least 3, maybe 4, and make sure they're the softest ones that you can find. Yeah, I'm not impressed with these, to be quite honest, doing it this way. I'll probably do the whole TV with these and then go over it again to do the finer spots where it looks like it's missed. So when you're using microfibre, you do have to actually press a little bit harder than when you're using the blue roll, which with the blue roll you'll just literally, you'd go like that, just literally hover over the top and it takes it all off. But microfibre cloths, they're not exorbitant like people think they are. It's not doing a bad job, making it a lot more hard work doing it this way, but it's your choice which way you want to clean your screen. I like the blue roll way. There's no marks on this screen whatsoever, no micro scratches, nothing at all. Oh, I've got all the cat stuff in the way down here. But I must say, I have noticed the Sky glass screen does seem to attract a lot more dust than anything else I've known. I'm not sure why that is. Higher static, I don't know. Someone's going to have to tell me, because I have no idea why it would attract more dust than any other TV that I've had. I've had Panasonics, Samsungs, which not a massive fan on, not after sending 13 of them back in 12 months. All developed issues, all faulty, and I've got the cat here helping me now. I don't know if you can see her. Yeah, just see her head. Been a bit of a nightmare this morning, haven't you, my dear? She's watching to see what I'm doing because she thinks she's going to attack the cloth, which she probably will try to in a minute, won't you, my dear? Yeah, it's not looking too bad at the moment, but I will have a look at it a different angle from upwards, because that's when you can see your streaks. Trick is, clean your screen as much as you can. Well, not as much as you can, so at least, I'd say at least once a month at least, otherwise you'll get a build-up of dust. Then it'll be a lot harder to clean. You'll probably have to do 2 or 3 cleans on it. So what's actually happened now is, this is the wet cloth, this is the dry cloth. This has become slightly damp, which is actually making it a lot easier. I can go back over with this slightly damp cloth to take off any streaking. You must do the edges. You do need to run around the edges. Anyway, sorry, it's taken off. It's little bits of the streaking that's still there. So I'm going over the whole thing so it's nice and uniform. And there we go. Absolutely perfect. That has come out a lot better than I thought. Still a lot easier with blue roll, but don't want to upset anyone. Use whatever you feel like you want to use. Blue roll could scratch your TV. I've not had any problems at all. Don't use any chemicals at all, just water. So all you need, damp cloth and a dry one. If you have used chemicals, it's going to be a lot harder for you to get the chemicals off the screen. If you start using just water and you clean your screen like the way I've just done, you'll get smearing, you'll get sort of hazing and all sorts, and it will look horrible. So the best thing, no chemicals whatsoever. Even if they recommend them at the shop or the manufacturers do, that's just their own product or a sister product they're just trying to push. It's not designed for the screen, it's just something they want to upsell you on. Yeah, that's the video. I said I would do another screen cleaning one, so there we go. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Give me a second, my button's over here. There it is.